money! Yes! Big round of applause! Big round of applause!
Everybody, it's Anthony Brown Jr. with Carlos Car Power by Detail. Y'all know what it is. I ain't got it across my chest, but it's one of my sweaters. It's one of my sweaters right here. That WAP. That WAP. Let me get that WAP. That's some WAP. Nah, man. But you see it say waxed and polished underneath it, though. Hey, if you want that, oh, hold on. I'm tripping. I am tripping. Hey, before you do anything, make sure you like, comment, yeah. Subscribe, yeah. Ring that bell. Bang! Ring that bell. Bang! Ring that bell. Bang! Until it blows your head off. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what it is, man. Stop playing with me, more. It's your boy Anthony Brown Jr. here. Welcome back to the Detail Life channel, man. And I got another banger, you know what I'm saying? Another video, you know what I'm talking about? I'm finna drop on your head and on your neck. Yeah, and you can't breathe. I'ma suffocate you with all these videos I'm dropping, all this content I'm dropping. I'ma suffocate it and I'ma stick it in your face. You know what I'm saying? I'ma stump in your face with it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let me quit talking now. But hey, man, welcome back to the channel, man. I'm finna get ready to go do another mod on the truck, man. I feel it's time for me to go ahead and do this exhaust delete. I gotta delete this exhaust, man, because I don't like how it sounds. It just don't sound right. It don't sound like a truck. It don't sound like a truck. You know what I'm saying? Like how it's built, how it's stocky and shit now. Hey, it got the sound gotta match the look, and the look gotta match the sound. You know what I'm talking about? So I'm finna go up here to A&B Muffler up out here in Grand Prairie where we get our mufflers and all this stuff done there. You know what I'm saying? So, damn. Keep on saying I catch up at company here and tell you something. I'm gonna highlight you when I get there.
Ese ya no tiene nada, está listo, estaba así.
Ooh, you see it? Yeah. The detail of the truck, you see it?
And right here, or you want it straight back?
Nah, I went right there, bro. I think that'll look good, yeah. Coming out the side of that joint.
Yeah. Sure.
Yes, yeah, coming out the side, bro. Coming out the side.
We did something like this, and it looked pretty good right here too.
Damn. That should look good. That should look good too, bro.
Yeah, those are like the Viper trucks, the SRT10s. They have them like that.
Coming straight out the back. Let me see. Put it on the side again, bro. My fault. I don't mean.
No, you good.
Side. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't even know. Fuck. I like both ways, bro. Pause. Damn. Okay.
Oh, more this way.
Yeah, like more that way.
Yeah.
Just cause I don't want it to be, you know what I'm saying, right there, that close to the tire.
I got you. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Something like this, right?
Yeah. Like that.
All right, I got you.
That shit way too quiet. That's way too quiet for me. Way too quiet. Can't hear nothing, man. Listen to this. Can't even hear nothing. Can't even hear nothing. Look, he mashing the gas right now. Can't hear a damn thing. I got the little man inside here getting to it. Young dude gonna be rich, watch. He already getting the trade in. Young dude gonna be rich. I like it. I can't wait till my son get back that age. He's gonna be inside the top of me too. Yeah. Goddamn. That boy Mozzie done pulled up. Boy Mozzie done pulled up in this thing. Ooh, they need to be clean. Don't do them like that. Don't do them like that. Woo. Oh yeah. Boy Mozzie done pulled up in here, man.
Hey, am I live?
Yeah, you live. Bro,
Live?
you're live, bro.
Hey, we're reporting live from the top of the fucking world.
Yeah.
Oh, man,
Got
man.
Miles up in this thing. Look at this boy, fresh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that boy. Oh, oh, yeah.
Yeah, is that me? Hey, man.
Yeah.
Hey, it's Emmy, not on me, man.
God damn, boy.
I know it is, man. Dream chasing himself,
Let's
man.
go get it.
Dream chasing himself, man.
Uh-huh.
Living legend himself. So y'all know it is, man. We're up at the top of the world, man.
Yeah.
So catch up. Catch
Keep up,
so
hey, tell me, keep up so you ain't gotta catch
keep
up.
up so you gotta catch up.
You know
man.
what I'm saying? Yeah.
That was gonna sound good.
You gonna sound good? Okay, okay. Yeah. I think I like that. Mike, what you think, brother? Yeah. Just a little solid sound. Okay, I'm fucking with it. Yeah. literally, he ministers. I'm gonna say he ministers. That boy, he does ministry with the young generation.
Just learning about cars, I mean, you got a good hand on your shoulder because you know we love cars, man. So hopefully you come and work on my car. So how old are you?
I'm 11.
You're 11? Oh, y'all close. It's like your best friend?
Yeah.
Man, that's what I'm talking about. You know what? Y'all gonna be some very, very successful people. Make sure I keep it.
Dang.
Keep growing, man. And stay like your brother. Your brother's working hard. You gonna work hard too. Yeah.
I love how my boy Mazda, he literally ministers to the young generation.
Yeah.
When you think about this ministry, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
It's my ministry.
Yeah, that's your ministry, bro. That's your calling. That's God's calling for you, bro.
And it's gonna get bigger, bro. That's the crazy one. It's gonna get bigger.
Yeah.
It's gonna get bigger.
I love that, bro. I pay attention to that, bro.
Hey, man. Like I was saying, bro, without you, bro, we ain't got nothing.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I wish I had somebody like not saying I'm just like big like that, but I wish I had somebody like me to come to talk to me like that.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So,
That's hard, bro. I like that, bro. Yeah, y'all stay tuned for Mazda doing.
Yeah.
He got some big things coming, man. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let me get a hell yeah. Stone Cold Steve Ross, let me get a hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I need right there. So now my daddy and my father-in-law can leave me alone about how I was sounding. Oh yeah. Can't tell me a dee-dee-da-da. Yeah. That shit did that from the beginning. That needs to be included in it. That's smart though. You mean, it's an extra 45 just for that. I gotta respect that business, man. I love that. That's smart. Business moves. That's a quick little upgrade. Woo, that shit look good and sound good. Oh yeah, let me get a hell yeah. God damn it, let me get a hell yeah.
Hey, I need to hit the dang refletter.
Woo! Ooh! God damn it, Johnny!
Wheeling, dealing,
Oh shit!
6 rings wearing,
Where's 6 rings?
limousine riding.
Look, hit that rock. Okay.
Oh man, this thing sounds
Oh yeah, that's it there. That's it there. Oh, hold on. Hold on, bro. Hold up. We gotta hit him with it, bro. We gotta hit him with it right quick. You ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Is the truck matching the Hellcat as the
Yes,
Hellcat
sir.
matching the goddamn
I don't
truck?
know.
I don't know, man. You tell me, man. You tell me, man.
The truck back to the Hellcat.
Hey, tall guy and organic, bro. Respect,
Hey,
I
man.
love y'all, bro. Y'all do y'all thing, but yo, we out here in Dallas doing it, bro. God damn, is the truck matching the Hellcat or is the Hellcat matching the goddamn truck? I don't know, man. Y'all let us know inside the comments, man. Damn. Woo. Woo.
Ooh, buddy.
Okay, so you see we just came through and did that, man. Did that muffler delete, man. Deleted everything up underneath that thing, man. I got a good little sound. I got that good little sound. Yeah, man. Appreciate y'all for watching this video, tuning in, man. I was like, y'all keep up, because I still got a lot more to do. I got a lot more to do, man. So keep on saying, gotta catch up, man, because I'm finna go on in this video. This is something a little quick, you know what I'm saying? Let y'all know a little razzle-dazzle, put a little razzle-dazzle up on that thing, you know what I'm talking about? So till next time, holla at you.